They got me answer. Alright, come more live. Hang that up, man. Hang that up. Alright. We are here. Who's that? Suzette Smith
Suzette.
is here. Welcome.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And welcome to
Another episode
of Tuesdays with Tricky.
Here I am.
Hey, me too.
So,
that really is the intro?
no. Welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind out of the closet. No. Where we take your mind
Off of
what's
going on outside the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of fun, frolic, and
foolishness.
Hello?
Hi guys. From Panama. Hi
Okay,
from Jamaica. Panama. I fell in love with Panama. Oh my gosh.
and all she does is annoy me. You know where I went? Panama.
Oh my gosh,
she
I
says
had
it like
such
she
a
says
good
it
time.
like
Panama.
like a Miss World contestant. Does anybody want to go to
Panama.
I'm like,
I loved it. I fell in love with Panama. I cannot wait to go back. In fact, I wanted to go over Easter, but my husband would not be coming with me, and he got vexed. He's like, "Why would you take a trip to our place without me?" And I'm like, "You don't own it. You don't own it."
Miami in the house.
Hi, Miami.
So anyway, I just want to know, does anybody know what I'm talking about when I say hi Winsome? When I say the Drake tape? Does anybody know what I'm talking about?
That was too much for me. That was too much.
I just didn't think he had like Big D energy. He just, so I'm kind of surprised to see that video.
I don't think it was real.
I don't think it was really
Hi,
done.
Connecticut.
I auditioned for Miss Jamaica Universe Central, but did you get to say Panama?
That was Gabby Booth.
Fill us in. So
On what?
Drake.
Big D energy? No, girl. I know he will fill you right up. That's what he will
So if
do.
you go over to Twitter, because you can see all of the videos over on Twitter. You don't really get to see them on TikTok or on IG. So I got some little prips over on TikTok. They were like, "Oh my gosh, couldn't believe blah blah blah." So I went
So
over
hold
to
on,
Twitter.
we're sitting in the car, parked up because we're waiting for Stevie to come out to school, and Jodi's watching this video on her phone, and I look over and I'm like, "Is that what you're really just watching as we wait for my child to come out of school?"
No,
like,
they were
the thing
parked up
was
in
like
Fontana,
this.
which and it looked like floppy, like those silicone ones that you buy like just to like. You remember when Tracy had the big purple one that she would bring on the show?
No, I never had a big purple one I would bring on the show.
We had one that we brought here, like to just display.
Yes, we were. That
Like, it
week
didn't look
sponsored
real.
by
Drake showed us
sex
his
store.
business. You couldn't really see his face, but you saw like the hairline and the face side with the full beard and like a very luxurious, dark, sexy room that only like rich people have with this like taupe colored sheets. Like everybody else has white sheets that you can bleach, but rich people have like taupe and orange color, and it was silk and shiny, So yeah, and then man was a beat his meat, and it was just like a.
No man, it was wow. It was a lot.
We don't have any idea about silicone business. That's you, because that's my middle name. Anyway, moving right along.
So I want to talk to you guys today about something that's really bothering me. Like genuinely bothering me, and I know it bothers you too.
What's that?
The parking situation.
In life.
The parking situation. Like, how can you have a business? Okay, so you open up a supermarket, right? And then you build a little parking lot for your supermarket with about 40 parking spaces, and then you hire 30 people to work at the supermarket, and 20 of them have a car. Like, how does that make sense?
But also the owners as well. So we drove into New Kingston Shopping Center today, and we were planning to go and shop. And she just drove right back out because she's like, "I can't find a parking space. I'm not going to fight for this."
Like, I don't understand. How do you have a business and expect it to do well and you don't provide parking? It's the wildest thing to be. Or how do you build houses and only give
one parking space?
Or two. Like, you're building a house, it's a 4-bedroom house, and you give 2 parking spaces, so nobody's supposed to visit this person?
Like, I think that there should be like, parking lots. And the spaces in the parking lots that are further away from the business that would be more inconvenient for the customer to park in. That's where the workers and the owner should park. The owner should not be parked up in the big Benz and Beamer right outside the store. No. You need to leave those for the customer for them to be like, you know what, let me just stop here real quick.
Sarah said too early to cuss. No, man, Sarah, I was in an early vibe on the road today.
KSAMC, hence join the fight against corruption. I would like to speak about voting as well. Hello, ladies. I recently ordered some new products for my cut. It's been amazing so far. I highly recommend that you try. Send us some now. So we just want to let everybody know, right? We're not really saying, oh, who you must vote for.
A paper cut or a haircut?
Probably a haircut. You don't order things for a paper cut.
You don't know what people are doing.
She's not cutting herself to then glue it back together.
You don't know. But you don't know. Maybe she was saying maybe we should try it because we have kids and they get cut.
Oh, paper. Oh, I've never thought
like
it was suicidal. Oh, okay. So we think it's really important that you guys all head out and vote on February 26th. You know, I always tell people that you must exercise your rights. It's one of the few rights that we have as a citizen. And I know that we like to...
And...
Go ahead.
Women fought so hard for equality that we are the first ones to be like, equal rights for women and feminism and all of this stuff. And we fought so hard for the right to vote. That was something that was really, really, really special for people, for women to get the right to vote, the right to have a say in their own country. And, you know, I don't care who you vote for. I just think that you should exercise your right to vote.
And then not only that, but you're going to sit down somewhere, whether it's in your house or on your live or on TikTok or wherever, and you're going to be like, the government is sucky because them do this and the government this and the government that. And did you vote? No. So then shut up. It annoys me so much when people are partaking in a conversation and they're talking about the government and what should happen and what don't happen, but yet you did not exercise your right to vote.
It's like sitting at a poker table and telling people like what card to play. Like you can't do that. Like
too many drivers, not enough parking spots. Agree with that too. She was talking about gut health, not cuts.
Oh, I just ordered something for my gut health, you know. Can you just slide that into my DM? I'm really trying to get into my gut health, you know.
It isn't is good public transportation system. That's what we need. We need a good transportation system so that I can be like, you know what? There's hardly any parking downtown, but I know I can get on the 9 o'clock bus and I can be back home on the 2 o'clock, whatever. Like, we need a better bus system.
This is refreshing. This is refreshing, can done. Oh, my mimosa. Wow, this is really good.
When we're cussing, we need a little cool down. So, sorry, didn't mean to touch you. So we need some Lady B mixology, and we're so excited because not only do we get to drink Lady B in the cupboard, but we also get to drink Lady B on the road in Trinidad. So she has triple sealed these for us. We have some pops. I cannot wait. Thank
Strawberry
you so much,
ginger
Lady.
Vodka. Some nice Kiska Pops on the road.
Yes.
So we
melon
are
passion margarita. Strawberry.
But actually, probably
basil
won't take them on the
prosecco.
road. We'll probably take them to Soca.
Yeah.
Because we have the cooler for Soca.
Oh, yes, that's right.
So I'll probably take them to Soca.
Yeah.
Soca
In my heart. Soca in my land.
Like, I just want to tell you how much I love this part of Soca. But let me just get into how last year we
spoke about this last week and how I ended up on my face. Just calm down. So if you get a little bit too much liquor in you and you need to soak up the liquor, I have a product I'd like to share with you.
No, wait, I don't want this one. I want to try the banana. So anyway, so these
I will try all of them except the coconut. You know I'm not a big coconut girl, but I'll try that one.
So these are Speedy's favorite. Well, I was going they're her favorite, you know.
A different direction for the advertising. You see, if you're drunk and you want to soak up your liquor.
No, we're taking some to Trinidad. Yeah, when we get home, this is going to be the issue now.
Yes.
So anyway, so this is Stevie's favorite. So she takes an entire pack to school.
Are you kidding me?
I am not kidding you. I'm not kidding you. And the last time she didn't share.
Tracy,
So,
what?
She told her that she's not sharing, and I told her she has to share. She's taking a
What
pack.
a hoggy woggy.
So these are Bulla bites. They are the perfect size for a little bit of cheese. They are the perfect size to just put one in your pocket if you're going into a meeting and you know it's going to be a long meeting.
Jakey loves Bulla. Winston, please come over. National Centers. They have 4 flavors in Bulla bites. They have, I'm sorry, don't argue with me, the ginger, which is the best. They also have my least favorite flavor in the world, coconut,
and they have banana,
and they have spice. So actually,
the spice is just like regular bun flavor.
Well, I don't know which one I want to try now.
So I'm going to try the banana. These came in fresh.
These are nice.
First of all, Bulla Bites are just good. They're 10 out of 10. The flavor of the banana, it's good.
Wait, I have to wash it down first.
It's a little sweeter than the regular spice. So it definitely has a banana flavor, a little sweeter. But this is the ginger one, very gingery. But like if we're doing a charcuterie board,
You said the word correctly.
You have put 2 Bulla on there.
So these are by National, and I don't know if you realize, but we're kind of warming up now to Easter time, where it's gonna be.
Geez, I'm on the ginger one, gingery though.
I love that though. I love that.
The ginger one, well
Yeah.
ginger.
So this
with
is
a cup
the
of
spice?
tea, that would have nice.
Oh yes.
The banana one is sweeter
So
than
you have
regular.
4 flavors to choose from, and I believe this is a pretty new product on the market. When did you start seeing Bulla Bites in the supermarket?
Honestly, about a year ago, but they don't stay on the shelves. They do not stay on the shelves. I even called National the other day and was like, where are Bulla Bites? Because
Tracy, you're so serious.
let me tell you, Stevie love our Bulla right now.
Jakey loves the ginger. You have some here. Haven't tried the others? Well, come and try. What I'm having is spice now.
Like Echo was teasing me about Bulla on a charcuterie. If you ever come in home drunk from a carnival
sweet
party and you have some Bulla Bites with some cut up orange cheese, G's and P's and life gone clear.
Save some for the rest of us. Robin, we have whole heap of Bulla Bites. You want this rampa? Sarah, I have 2 of them. So when I was pregnant, I was obsessed with this rampa, and I was like, oh my gosh, what if I like burst out the seam? So I bought 2. But you guys can look up for Bulla Bites on the shelves.
No. If you find the Bulla Bites, buy them. They go very fast. Everybody loves Bulla Bites. And they fit right in your pocket.
Tracy, I don't think that's a selling point. Hey everybody, you know, just in case you need a snack, you can put a Bulla Bite right in your pocket. As a matter of fact, it depends on the size of the pocket.
Listen, if you have a toddler,
yeah, you just put Bulla Bites in your pocket.
that's right.
Jeez.
Bulla Bite in the pocket.
Thank you, Renee. That's what Tracy was saying too with my makeup. Less is more. Thank you.
Doesn't she look beautiful?
Well, also, Dr. Stephen, you know what, I'm not bigging her up. You know why I'm not bigging her up? Because you have to wait for an appointment now. Dr. Stephanie sorted out my skin.
She's the best. I logged on to her. I got Bulla Bites in my braces.
You got Bulla Bites in your braces?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so Trinidad Carnival is coming up, right? And
Which carnival?
Trinidad Carnival.
We're leaving on Friday. I'm so excited. Can you see my suitcase?
And I just want to let you guys know that I have been listening to this live broadcast.
We are going to parties in Trinidad. We're going to Soca, and we are going to picnic.
I have been listening to this carnival music station that is free on the internet called Space Radio, and it is 24 hours carnival music. They're playing mainly last year's music and this year's music, right? So it is amazing because they mix some of last year's music with old music, and I really like that because you can get in the vibe. It's not like you're constantly like trying to listen out, you know, like you get in the vibe. Anyway, the DJs are really good. It's free, and it plays on the internet, so you can have it playing on your phone, and all the other apps work as well. So that's what I really like about it. It's called Space Radio.
Oh, this is good. Lady B, this is good. Oh, my mimosa.
I told you.
Okay, Tracy, I was just taking a sip. What band we're jumping with? We're jumping with a new band this year. We're going to check out Spice. No.
Spirit.
Sorry, I was thinking.
Bulla them I get
sorry, I was thinking of my Bulla Bites.
Oh my gosh, we can carry Bulla Bites on the road.
We could. We can put them like in our.
As nipple covers.
They're the perfect.
Oh my gosh. A Bulla Bite. What do you? So you.
And then after lunch, like I'm so hungry. It's like, oh,
I have something for you.
That's perfect.
I'm telling you.
Bulla Bites can go anywhere.
Bulla Bites are...
So we're taking our Jamaican favorites over to Trinidad. Somebody was just asking if I could bring them a Lady B. If you see me at Soca, come and ask me for a Lady B. I'm going to have the popsicles there. I'll definitely give you one.
Our Jamaican favorites are coming to Trinidad. Bulla Bite, we'll have Bulla Bites too. We'll put some Bulla Bites in
Your Jamaican favorites are coming to Trinidad. Us. Your Bulla Bites. And your Lady
My
B.
Jamaican favorite is coming to Trinidad. You.
Oh, at first.
What do you thought I was going to say?
I don't know. I don't know.
I was going to say
no,
Scott.
I did.
I know what it's you.
Okay. Weird.
Anyway, so while we are in Trinidad, it will be Valentine's Day, and I just wanted to let you guys know about a few products that are coming out from one of our very favorite companies.
Wow. That's expensive paper too.
I know. So Live Simple has come out with some new flavors. If you know the show, you know Live Simple has been with us from the start, from inception, and they have always had amazing quality, amazing scent, and I am a very big advocate of their products here. They're available at Fontana, and they're available at one of my favorite stores, the Life Store, as well. They're available at My Jamaica as well, a couple other places. So what is this they sent us today? Look in there.
So this is Love Glows. I found God in myself and I loved her. I loved her fiercely.
Oh, they come with little. So these are.
I think you need to read that expensive paper to see what happens. It's not just full
Live Simple is happy to introduce Love Glows, a limited edition collection celebrating the glow of love. The collection features 5 of your favorite signature scents and specially designed labels done in collaboration with a fellow brand, Rosemary Paper Company. Oh, that's why the paper is so nice.
Yeah, this is not like folder leaf. So there's these in here.
Each candle features a premium quality card with a quote about love from a selection of our favorite creatives to serve as an affirmation of a feeling that defines the human experience in so many ways. Love Glows is a simple way to affirm the beautiful feeling that connects us all. Unwind in the embrace of each fragrance designed to evoke the senses and wrap you in the warmth of an emotion that transcends time.
Oh, I've never smelled
love. We have sea salt and cashmere, fig and leaves, lavender and plum, coffee and cream, lemongrass tea.
Oh, I'm going to put one of these in my suitcase right now. Because
Wait,
you know sometimes
on.
when you like check in somewhere, it smells like a musty. Oh my gosh, these are so nice.
Let me see. Oh, I love the travel candles. No, I know that was a little bit in, but I do love them because it's just as you said. Sometimes you travel somewhere and you get there and you open the door and you're like, pew.
Is it been locked up or like a musty?
What is this one? This is a cashmere one? This
is
nice.
The lemongrass
fig and leaves.
It smells so good. I'm putting this in my suitcase right now.
Wait, hold on. I don't know if she's giving us that.
What do you mean? Alright, well don't tell her. Let me
I won't tell her. I won't tell her. Wow. No, the fig and leaves is so nice.
That's a new fragrance for her.
Yeah.
The fig and leaves, and also the lavender with the plum.
Well, you know what? It just makes me so happy that Jamaica has such fabulous quality products. Like, candles are something that everybody uses, and it makes me so happy to give these quality products as gifts to people. You know what I'm saying?
They smell really good.
I think I'm gonna give some to Sonia. Lavender and plum. This is really nice. And
she would never want these back. They're really nice.
Did you pack it up with the Bulla?
Nope. Other side.
And then there's a little glitter on there just for the show of it, right? And it's beautifully wrapped in these boxes with the paper company. The paper is really nice.
Yeah.
And you know what? Paper is so nice for too, like wedding invitations for your 40th birthday party, or you know, these events, like, you know, it makes a big difference the type of paper like you get. Look at the wedding invitation we got, and the first thing that you noticed the other day was paper. Anyway, let's look at what else she sent us. And there's more.
There's a packaging. Show the lid. Oh, sorry.
She has
YouTube. So each lid had a different lid. This kind of looks like mummy.
I love you, mommy. Or the lemongrass one. Oh my gosh,
that's the one edible. That I put in the suitcase. It smells so nice and fresh and just
nice.
Invigorating.
Yeah, man, that is a nice one. Okay, and then we have this little package that she gave us as well to show off from the Valentine's Day collection. This one, how come it's, what is this?
Let me see now.
Coffee and cream. I don't know why it came in this thing.
I finished my candle by Live Simple. Oh my gosh, it's so nice.
That is ridiculous. You open it and it fills the room with flavor.
Yeah, you don't even need to light it.
Honestly, the quality of these Live Simple products.
So it's packaged very nicely. You have it in a little mini burlap bag. So this is like a nice, cute little gift, you know, just to remind somebody that you're thinking of them.
Yes.
You know?
Just when I'm thinking of you, you know, I love you.
And I find out when I light a candle in the bathroom, first of all, it gets out any smell that may be in there. It is a bathroom.
Yeah.
But like, I just feel like I'm bathing and I just smell something nice and fresh.
I feel sexy.
Yeah, I feel sexy. Yeah.
So who are people that you okay, so I mean, other than like your husband, are there other people that you like to give Valentine's Day gifts to?
No.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Oh, don't spit on it.
Sorry about that. No. I mean, maybe my children, but like, no. Why? Who are you giving Valentine? Oh, that's not true. Sorry. So, yes, okay. My children give Valentine's Day gifts to their entire class. So I did gifts for all of Stevie's class, all of Levi's class, all of Remy's class. And then I just did like something really cute for the teachers. It's just a little, well, I don't know if the teachers are here and I haven't given it to them yet. But I just did like a little emergency kit for the teachers, you know. So just to let them know that I appreciate them.
asks, what happened to the Tuesdays with the Tricky page and IRG to tag these products?
Yes, okay. Tracy.
I just want to say that I have been doing a lot and I actually forgot about it.
What have you been doing?
Mothering. I've been a little
You have one child.
And it doesn't mean that it makes it easier. Some people things are harder for them. You still can't run a 5K. I've done a marathon.
I don't want to run. Why is your hair humped up like that on the top of your head?
Somebody said it looked nice.
You look like French Drescher.
It's not humped up, it's a bun.
It's a hump.
It's a bun, see?
Okay, humperello.
You humperello.
Jodi, oh my god, Stevie looks like you so bad now. Thank you.
She does though, right? I keep telling you guys, I'm like, Stevie is Jodi's doppelganger. It's unbelievable.
Thank you.
But I just want to show you. I literally...
Stevie is very high maintenance because she...
No, she's not.
Yes, she is, Tracy.
Excuse me. Don't call my child high maintenance.
Went to pick her up from school a while ago and she's upset because she wants to decide who picks her up from school.
This is true.
This is a personal
Also, if that...
What's a hand for?
If that isn't me.
What's a hand for? Hold on. Let's do YouTube. And then let's do Remy's passport picture.
If this isn't me, this is me.
Yes, we are coming to Trinidad for Carnival. We are playing with a new band called
Trinidad.
Spirit. And we're very excited. We're not leaving until Friday because we have these people that like depend on us to like look after them and pick up, you know.
And I still have to go to the supermarket to nourish them while I'm gone.
You have to nourish them? Yeah, I'm going to get nourishment for my family. You can have some nourishment here.
Right here.
You could get like 4... Well, not for Stevie, but for my kids, I could divide this about 3, so I could get 4 days of lunch plan out of this. I'm going to put them in
Kids really don't eat the Bulla bites.
Why are you giving them a whole bag?
She asked for it.
And she eats the whole
bag. I don't know if she eats a whole bag or
okay, so we're going to get... Okay, so this now, it's snack time. They've had a lunch. 3 Bulla bites for Remy. That's a lot.
That's plenty.
But
Stevie
needs a whole bag. That's a lot of Bulla bites.
She likes to share. Honest to God, when is Stevie eating something and she don't give you a piece or share with you? She always bring you a piece.
She does.
She always bring you a piece. That is the truth. She likes to share.
Well, we'll have our Bulla bites. Come and ask. We'll be sharing them. In Trinidad, we have the coconut flavor, the banana flavor, the spice flavor, and the ginger flavor. The spice and the ginger man. The spice and the ginger are my favorite.
So, you know who I like?
Tracy should have more than. Bulla goes to the batty. Here. Yeah. Round it up.
It's true because butter goes to the breast and I've been eating a lot of butter lately.
Ah, you're eating your butter. You want to eat some more Bulla now? Fat up your batty. Yeah. Round it up, you know?
So, you know, I like to give Stevie's nanny a little something for Valentine's Day just to let her know that she is loved. And we got some great gifts that are an amazing idea. Because I mean, it's Valentine's Day. I'm not spending a whole heap of money, but
Arm and a leg.
an arm and a leg. But these gifts, they're $1,000 each. It comes personalized with your name on it, with a little cup with just some candies in there. Just a little bit of candies in there. And it is so cute.
It's such a cute thought.
It's so thoughtful.
The young lady reached out to me and she says, "Hi Tricky and Joe, my name is Tony Ann, owner of Artistry Decor and Rental. This Valentine's I decided to create something special, personalized, cute and cost effective that everyone will love. So if you're on a budget and need a gift for your employees, children, class teachers, schoolmates, someone you're thinking of, this love treat is perfect for you. The cost is $1,000 and you can DM Artistry Decor and Rental to order."
It's so cute. I'm definitely gonna get
So
one of
here's
these
my
for the
thing.
kids.
So I think I can. This is air. So even if I can order these for the kids before I leave for Trinidad, and then they can have them while I'm away, like a little thought for your kids to be like, hey, they wake up and see this at the breakfast table.
That's
like,
so
"Ah,"
cute.
yeah. And then they can read their name.
Yeah, that's very nice.
You know, you teach her like, you know, when you asked me earlier if I buy anything for Valentine's, and I realized I probably bought over 90 Valentine's Day gifts with the 3 classes. But this for the teachers, just to let them know that, hey, I'm thinking of you and you're loved, you know?
Yeah.
It's cost effective and it's really cute. And who doesn't like a little little candy? There she is. Let me pin her.
It is so cute. I'm definitely going to get for the teachers and for Mickey. And for Stevie too, because she would like to wake up and feel loved. It's Valentine's Day.
Imagine this. Come guys, breakfast. And they come downstairs. Oh gosh.
Stevie.
Mama, this is for me.
Oh
That's my name. Really, really cute. So I've tagged her at the bottom. That's Tony Ann from Artistry Decor and Rental. You can have your personalized balloon and then some candy in the little cup. A love treat.
I love treats.
I love treats.
I love it. I love it. Okay, that's a lot of information we just got to all of you guys. I love
If
treats.
you have too much information and your brain can't absorb it, just grab a Bulla bite out of your pocket.
Grab that Bulla bite
Out of your pocket.
Grab that Bulla bite.
Out of your
Oh,
pocket.
you're really enjoying that pocket snack, eh?
Yeah, it's a cool pocket. I love a pocket snack.
Perfect pocket snack. So anyway, I was reading the Observer the other day, or the Gleaner, one of those.
You read the newspaper?
I'm smarter than the average bear.
You're a bear?
That's why I'm smarter than so I was reading, and they said that they're going to start putting cameras on buses in Jamaica so that they can see people vandalizing the buses.
That's not what they're going to
Because
see.
The Minister of Tourism, Darrell Vaz, no, not tourism, the Minister of Transportation, Darrell Vaz, he was saying that they bought 50 new buses last year or whenever it was, but Jamaicans vandalized the buses so badly that they had to take some of them off the road. And he was like, at least when we put the cameras in the buses now, we can actually fine people for vandalizing the property or for poor behavior or stuff like that. And I thought, what a good idea.
It is a good idea. However, right, we're going back to the whole NIDS thing, or to be able to, for people to be recognized better. So let's say I go on the bus and I vandalize the bus. Well, maybe it's not me because I'm registered. How would you find me is my question. You know what I mean? Nobody's using a bus card or a form of identification to get on the bus. You know what I mean? I find that nowadays people wear a mask or whatever, or a hoodie if they want to, you know, be naughty and do things that they're not supposed to. How are you going to find these people? I mean, you know, you watch security footage all the time, or you see something and you're like, who is that? And you cannot make them out.
Yeah.
You know, but like,
So-
how are you going to find them?
So, Darrell, this is a question you're going to have to answer.
Because
How are
even
we going-
on a crime scene and stuff like that, when the police are dusting for prints, if they find a print that is not in the system, then how will I know, oh, this is John Doe's print, we need to call John Doe in for questioning? You know, like when the whole NIDS thing came around, I thought that, you know, I know there was a lot of pushback for it, but then when you look at things like this, we be better able to identify persons.
Yeah.
Then I thought, okay, then this could be a positive. You know what I mean?
Right. No, I get you.
You do all of the research to be able to get your NIDS number, then it must be able for you, it must be better or more easier for you to open a bank account.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So there were some with Mark of the Beast and stuff like that, but I mean, I just find with us.
Yeah, that's a good point, Joe. And I would be interested in anybody out there, you know, who is smarter than the average bear.
And they need to take off the road because some of the bus drivers drive so terrible, and the loader man them. The loader man them don't have no behavior. None of them. And imagine, you know, like as a mom, I'm like, you know, suppose it was that I had to send my children on public transportation, and the video that came out yesterday of the schoolboys pelping out the schoolgirls in the bus with this loud music, like I'm like, I don't know how I would feel if I sent my child on public transportation and then that's what they were doing. And I mean, I was so disappointed in the comments because they're like, yeah, nobody never got on a stainless bus yet. Yeah, good times on the school bus. Oh, I missed my school days. And I'm like, that's what the parents sending to school to go do? To go home on make loader man pushing on the bus and go take jack up by like a schoolboy a dance and a cock up? My God, man. No, it's not right. It is not right. And then
and then I think about all the ladies who are on there, like the business ladies, like the good, you know, working ladies and stuff, and they're there and they have to be sitting down there with these kids acting like that, like it's so crass.
I said before on the show, and I'm going to say it again, I would rather take my taxes, and instead of paying for free this and free, I would rather pay for transportation for school children. There needs to be a school bus system. So just like how you have PAV, you have particular buses, school buses, just for children. So the children don't have to deal with the old sweaty man them who want to rub upon them and talk up to them and all of that. The bus drivers need to be vetted that they're not pedophiles and all of that. We need a school bus system in Jamaica. We need to protect our children. This is what they're being exposed to on the bus, and the loader man and everybody in the bus. Yeah, woo! Whoa, you never go on a stainless bus yet? Yeah. It's not okay. I don't care how cool you think you are. It's not okay.
That's what they call loader man?
The loader man is the one that come off and push up in the bus and load it in the bus. So there's a bus driver, a loader man, and a conductor that takes the money. You need 3 people to work on a bus, and that's why the bus fare is so high. This does not make any sense. Why do you need 3 people to work a bus?
3 people. But anyway,
security needs to be in those buses too. So if you 3 people, you had 2 people, and the driver is a driver and does nothing else but drive, and the conductor can collect the money and do security and be a good decent human being and be like, sir, you cannot be speaking to that child, or young lady, please come up here and have a seat, or she's pregnant, somebody get up. Somebody says yes, it's a big problem in Trinidad.
I heard this song the other day. I think it was a Trini song. Somebody fat on the minibus.
That song was a vibe.
That song was a vibe. Would be you to fart on the minibus though.
Well, you know, when I get excited, I just get gassy. It's carnival time. Pop up.
I do love carnival time though.
Let me taste yours again. You saw what's great. What should she done it up?
What do you mean? Why do you take it so long?
Because I'm enjoying it.
I enjoyed. Daydream.
I took a bus from Kingston to Portland, and they had seats at the front for females only. I love that.
This is nice. I love Daydream.
Hey!
Gin, lychee, and sweet grapefruit.
So people that don't have cars, how are they getting their kids to school? What about field trips?
They're taking the stainless bus.
They're taking public transportation, but it's not regulated. And so also what happens too, this leads into productivity. So you have a bus, you have a school that starts at 8 o'clock. There's no bus system at all whatsoever. So you need to make sure that you get to the bus stop at God knows whatever hour of the morning to make sure that you can get to your 2 or 3 buses to get to work on time. So you have children waking up at 4 o'clock, 4:30 in the mornings, right? That's a long day for them. Then they finish school after a day of learning where they need to decompress. They have homework to go home and go to. They're now thinking about how to take this bus. Then they have to go to halfway tree first. Then they have to leave halfway tree and go home. It's absolutely ridiculous, and it's not fair to the children who... Anyway, I feel very passionate about it. I have carried... No. And I've carried on about the whole bus thing on this show before because it's not fair. It's not fair. And also to when it's raining, the drivers just take liberty on the road and they don't slow down and they wet up the pedestrians on the road, and it is not right. I hope all of you who wet up the pedestrians get a big stone in your back glass. A lot of selfishness. It is true. I would love that. That is what is to be done with my taxis. No, man, it's not right, Tracy. We're very fortunate to have a car and that we can pick up and drop off whenever we want. So this is
where we take your mind off of what's going on outside of the closet and bring you in here for a full hour of...
Give me another Bulla bite. The pocket bite is finishing. Sure. No, man. You must stand up for something. Stand up for something.
I do. I stand up for a lot. That's not true. I stand up for a lot. I think I am a good speaker of justice. That is true. That is true. So anyway, I also just want to say,
so what happened to the hairstyle?
You teased it, so it came out.
Yeah, but no, I was getting passionate about something else, and you just gone on to the next hairstyle.
But I just felt uncomfortable. I was getting hot on the back of my neck, because you were just showing.
You have another question. Yes, M-Town, what is your question? Exactly, Ali Bird. Exactly. And I think that for persons who are more privileged and have a car, or more privileged and can take maybe a private taxi, I think that we need to stand up for persons who, they just...
Relax.
Okay.
Some lavender and plum.
Yeah.
Relax.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, I always think of this old soca song. Somebody kitty cat, get away and it causes trouble. Somebody kitty cat, get away and it riding round town.
Riding round town. Damn kitty cat.
Have to hold it down. Oh, get the cat there. Hold it down. Get the cat.
I don't know if I could ever have a pocket again that's empty.
But I tell you, the Bulla bites are perfect pocket food.
Pocket? Okay, a pocket bite? What rhymes with P?
B?
Pocket. PB?
Pocket bites.
Pocket Bulla.
Pocket Bulla.
Do you get hungry during the day? Do you get angry, testy? Sometimes cuss about things that don't need to be cussed about? Maybe you need a snack. You need Pocket Bulla. Choose from any four of these delightful flavors. And if you have more than one pocket, you can have more than one Bulla. Load it up.
Try to smell the coffee again. It's nice.
Yes, but I have the melts, the wax melts from her. So in the evening, my bathroom just smells nice. I just feel, you know, when you're doing your facial and stuff like that, you just light a candle, sing a song key, and find your way back home. Right now.
So anyway, Easter time is coming up. What do you guys do for Easter? Usually we take a little vacation and we travel. This year I feel at a loss. Like Jodi's Easter vacation holiday time is different from my Easter holiday vacation time, just because the schools are vacationing at different times. So we won't get to vacation together. My husband is going away. He's taking a trip. He's going on a trip. So it would be me and Stevie. So I'm kind of looking for something to do. And I'm like, oh my gosh.
Forever 21. Sorry, Sarah. I know how annoying it is when you keep asking somebody about the outfit and they don't answer you.
Fine, but it was asked before.
And I did not answer her.
I buy this banana Bulla.
Banana Bulla.
Nice, you know.
No. Bulla going to get a nice round batty, so eat up.
Well, I finished my lady bee.
Go to church?
With a Bulla bite.
Yeah. Bulla bite at church. Shot. You know when you go to church and you sit down there, you're not just hungry. Raw. Jesus. It's like as you walk through to bless the Lord, like, good morning, Pastor. How you doing, sir?
Imagine if they gave Bulla bites at communion instead of just a cracker.
This is a body. For my body! Amen!
That's nice.
Oh gosh. gosh, that would be the bombest communion ever.
Oh, you're really going through all the emotions today. Are you just like, what's in your lady B? What's in your lady B? Whoa. Jodi! Sometimes Scott eats so loud his dinner. It really pisses me off, you know.
I find it's a guy thing.
Is it every husband that knows that? Oh my God, I'm just like, close your mouth.
Most of them eat like they've done like a year or two in jail. It is.
Other day I had to tell him, you're not back at George's, you don't need to protect your box lunch.
I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want it. Nobody, Levi's not fighting for it. It's okay. You can take this hand.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I asked my question, but y'all missed it. Do the elementary and middle school kids go to the same school, or the parents have to arrange for a separate transportation?
No, there's no such thing as elementary and middle school. There's prep school and high school. So prep school goes from the ages of 4 years old to 11 years old, and then high school goes from 11 years old to 16 years old.
So when it's not prep school is when there's the full fee is to be paid.
Jodi,
you have primary school. So it's primary school, and then you leave primary school and you go to high school. So yes, there's no school buses. So the parents
so primary school is government schooling, and prep school is private schooling. But yes, so it's either prep/primary and high school. So no.
And you have to figure out how to get your kids here. That's why when you come to Jamaica, there's so many little children walking on the road. Because also too, when you go, usually you try to go to a school within your area, because then you cut out a lot of the loader man, bus loader man. But yeah, you have to figure out how to get your children to school. Basic, primary, and high school. Thank you. Basic, primary, and high school. Thanks, M-Town. Sorry, I missed your question earlier. But you were not letting that one pass, eh?
This life is really...
I always amazed when I come to Jamaica and I see very young children walking by themselves to school at a very long distance. Yep.
It amazes me too. I saw one the other day. Could not have been any older than Stevie.
Yeah, because Tracy, you don't know...
Jodi! Eat a Bulla. Drink a juice. Don't know what happened to you today. You were not like this in the car.
I just wanted to lie back in your car, but it was so uncomfortable.
No man, she's like humping my car seat, like,
because I was trying to get the seat to go down.
I'm like, what are you doing?
So I was like this, pulling the thing, and she's like, what is it? I look like a dog. I was like this, because I was trying to buck the chair back. She's like, what
and then she
are you doing?
And then she comes into my car and I come to pick her up, and she comes in with like bag, pan, bangarang, 2 cups. You need more cup holders. I'm like, you need less cups though. You need less cups.
I don't feel quenched.
Oh man. Something going on with you. Something going on with you.
Thirsty. Oh, I'm just...
Ordered some pants off the internet and they came and they're horrible. The material is so nice, but the fit is so bad. Don't think they can be rectified.
My pink pants? Oh, Lord have mercy.
I wish I could make... I would have worn out with my little silver top and gone to the pink party.
You know what? I think you just need to be fatter for those pants.
Not happening.
Ooh.
Not happening. Hook a bit and that's me.
Ooh.
Hook a bit and that's me.
Ooh. You need hook a bit with a batty though, so take a bite.
I had enough.
Not I, said the cat.
So anyways, I was thinking the other day...
Is it easy to get products from Amazon in Jamaica? That's your question.
I mean, yeah, because there's like a ton of freight forwarding companies nowadays. So we use Mailpack, that's our freight forwarding company. So what they do is they give you an American address, which you put on your Amazon account. And then you buy and you send it to your Amazon address. You send it to your freight forwarding company address. And then you just have to make sure your name and your...
Mailpack will clear everything for you out of customs. They also have the most flights out of any of the freight forwarding companies.
They also do free returns.
And they also do free returns. So when you get something and it don't fit you or you don't like it, you can return it.
So that's what we use. But yeah, and there's a ton of companies. So I find everybody has a company that they use. Everybody has a company that they use. I like Mailpack. There's a Mailpack
it's very located right here.
Location right here. So we just get ours dropped off right there. And you know, I like the Mailpack service. The people are very nice as well. So works out for me.
Yeah, big up to Pack. I really appreciate you.
And
I see them more times a week than you.
Really?
No, okay, I see them more times a week than Daddy.
I see.
Sorry, whew. Eat and drink and eat and drink. What you thought was gonna happen? Excuse me. Sorry.
What is up with you?
Excuse me, I burped. I'm allowed to burp. Let it go up and down, and if it goes down, it turns into draggy little bits.
Did you
take drugs?
Yeah.
No, really?
Joe, you are on 100, my girl.
Okay, sorry.
Your makeup looks really good though.
Thank you.
What blush you use? That's nice.
I use from Patrick Star.
He's a good guy. At makeup colors. I don't know him personally, but you know.
He sent a PR box to me one time. I remember he stole things out of it.
Yeah, he's a good guy. He
ordered
sent it for
one
me.
thing. No, he did not send it for you.
You think he sent all of that for you? He obviously knew that I was going to be here and take something.
Yeah, because everybody knows say thief. So they're like, if you want Jodi to be able to have enough, you need to like send stuff for Tracy too, so you can like distract her with something so Jodi can get.
I feel like that's going to be Stevie and Remy. Stevie will have stuff and Remy's just going to come as a grovelicious monster and take it.
So yeah.
They were fighting the other day and Remy bad up Stevie and Stevie come, Mommy, come and talk to Stevie.
Yo, they can bicker, you see.
Oh.
But then if I pick up Remy from Stevie from school, she goes, where Rem? I said, we're not picking up yet. But where Rem? And then as I get together, no, it's mine.
But don't trouble Stevie and her Levi. Stevie loves Levi. Stevie loves
Jammy Jams.
Levi.
I remember when Kim K sent Tracy a PR box. Okay,
yes.
okay.
With my thank you Jammy Jams, and she sent me my Skims outfit, my little Skims winter outfit, and nobody had it yet. It was just on advertising, and I was one of the first to get my Kim K PR box. Okay, thank you Jammy Jams. Thank you.
Whatever.
And I was just talking. Anyway, I soon get more PR boxes. See, I have not been working hard. I've just been dilly-dallying. I soon get my PR boxes up there. You don't.
I'm a hot girl. I don't beg things.
I think PR boxes doesn't mean you beg.
Shut up.
PR boxes means you're recognized. Kim K recognized me.
She can barely recognize herself.
And
Strictly cookies.
just don't know where to go from that. Don't know where to go from that. Don't know where to go.
Okay, ask it again. What do you all think about the travel advisory about coming to Jamaica?
Boy, all things
Embarrassing.
running. It's so embarrassing. And guess what? Rightfully so. Rightfully so. For a long time, the security of this country has been an issue. And we just sit down here and overlook it because, you know, we're in it day to day. We're in the day to day. We're used to it. Rightfully so. And the part about the travel advisory that came to Jamaica that really hurt was when they said including all-inclusive hotels.
No.
That really hurt. And then Dr. Dawes came on and Dr. Dawes was like, no man, everything that Dr. Dawes says I agree with. Everything that Dr. Dawes says I agree with. It's really embarrassing that that is our country. And here we are with a big movie, Bob Marley movie coming out and in America. The Bob Marley movie coming out in America, and they're saying we don't advise any Americans travel. Oh, and Dr. Dawes said, that's what I couldn't remember a while ago. Dr. Dawes also said that the travel advisory had mentioned that they are also not to come to Jamaica because if anything happens to them and they need to be hospitalized, that there is no
Hospital beds.
No. Like
Care.
Things.
There's no things.
Like gauze, like accessories.
Medical accessories.
There's no medical accessories available. Like there's no gauze, there's no string to stitch you up with, there's probably no Dettol. I don't know, but he said the right words because he's a doctor and he knows those words. If you ask me foolishness, I can handle your foolishness.
I think he's also running for a seat in the PMP too, you know.
He is a shadow.
Supplies, accessories.
Yes. So Dr. Dawes was saying that there's no supplies to help you out with. So that's not a lie. Look how many times you go to the hospital. When I was having my baby, you get the hospital list of the things you're to bring, and I'm like, gauze? You don't have gauze?
Agreed. So while right now we are concentrating on what is being said about Jamaica, there are cities in America, there are cities or places, countries overseas that are experiencing the same amount of murders, deaths, rapes, or even more. But right now, we are in Jamaica, we are Jamaicans, and we are saying that this is so embarrassing. And yes, we see the memes where everybody says, oh, does it stop you from going to Jamaica? Like, no, I'm on my way, packing my bags. But at the same time,
it's embarrassing.
It's embarrassing, you know?
Embarrassing.
And then what is our government going to do about it? So we're back to making sure you vote. So you need to vote to make sure that you have a say, that you said, well, I voted for this this person because they said that they were going to do this and fix this issue and this matter, you know? So, I mean, I just find that the government needs
But I don't care about whatever is going on in anybody else's city. You asked
same
me about
advisory
Jamaica.
about coming to Miami.
You asked about Jamaica, and it's the same thing I tell Stevie.
Yeah,
don't
Stevie
worry
does
yourself about what everybody else is doing. Worry yourself about what you are doing. So don't come here and tell me Remy ate a cookie when we told everybody not to eat a cookie. That is not my issue. I'm worried about what you, Stevie, are doing.
We have been on this list before, and we have and it's not our first time being on the list, but every single time that we go on it, it's embarrassing. It's not a good look. There we have Edmund Bartley doing something with the Spanish hotels, so they're going to bring down, they're going to provide 2,000 jobs for Jamaicans. They're going to have all of these.
And our number one source of foreign exchange revenue or whatever is tourism.
But you're also telling the tourists not to come. Like
that's kind of crazy.
Done.
That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. I mean, you know, if I was very good at putting words together and speaking,
I don't know. I just find today you're really like a little silly, eh?
But I finished that real quick.
Yeah, girl, this one was real good, real good. It tasted real good.
It tasted like breakfast.
Yeah, oh gosh.
Just having that with some pancakes and syrup.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
Oh, I was enjoying it with my Bulla, but
you know what? When I go to Trinidad and I can't eat the doubles and the roti, and when I'm there, I usually have to pack it up and carry it home to eat it because, you know, I'm not used to that type of food, and you're at the parties, and I've been doing Trinidad for like 20 years now. I've learned my lesson.
And them season everything with pepper. When you go home, man, G's and peace.
I've learned my lesson, so I don't eat.
You have to hug up that the porcelain bowl because beer fire shit, you go shit.
So I don't eat a lot of the food in Trinidad. I usually bring it home and then eat it. But this year we're staying 2 days extra, so we get to go to Cheyenne's and have the we get to go and have the fresh doubles, and we get to have all this, and I'm so excited to like eat the food fresh and not like.
Well, there was a party we used to go to, and
that party don't keep again.
No, and they had like this amazing setup of
and
food.
they had pan ban.
We had palori, we had everything. That was the year that we walked around and we had everything, and we're like, wow, it was like a full experience.
Yeah.
That was like the Trini Frenchman.
Yeah,
it was really.
And
good.
I mean, and then when your belly start bubble drew and you start doing the whining and you're dancing and that, but it's beer, yeah, just a fire back. Can't manage.
Yeah.
Can't manage. But anyway,
guys, so we just want to wish our fellow travelers to Trinidad and all of the masqueraders over in Trinidad, all of the tourists, all of the locals, please have a safe and a happy carnival. Make sure you look after your friends. Don't walk off by yourself. Please stay in groups. Make sure you wear comfortable shoes. Walk with your little money, but don't put on no jewelry or nothing too flashy. Just make sure you keep it simple. Walk with your friend, and you all have fun, eh? You all have fun. Have a happy and a safe carnival, all right? Tracy, I'm wishing you a very happy. Look at it, getting the goosebumps. Oh, God. Look at my leg. Oh, God. Get great cheese. I'm getting goosebumps. I'm wishing you all a happy and a safe carnival.
And great cheese and your goosebumps.
Yes, girl. Can you stick it out? You can grate the cheese.
I can't wait to wax. Oh, my gosh. I am waxing, and I cannot wait. You know how long I've been growing out this hair? Let me show them.
Oh my God, I'll be so embarrassed.
I've been growing out this hair a long time, you guys.
As if we'd have a shame for the crime rate, you're going to show I dare you.
It's so bad.
Oh my God, I need a bite.
It's so bad. Like, one of my clients from Europe the other day, she's fully from Europe, and I was shampooing her hair now. Wow, so you know you can wear shirts with sleeves, right? And I was like, wow. I just wasn't laughing because she's from Europe. She's used to this.
Come.
And she
go
says,
close so that they can see.
I feel so ashamed. Hey guys, let me get it from the side. It's really bad. Okay. And I can feel my leg hairs blowing in the breeze.
Tracy, you could have done like a couple of waxes before. You'd have to like wait 6 months for Trinidad.
Oh. Sometimes Scott is a 70s man, if you get my drift.
Listen, that's not that bad. It's bad. You're not able to see it on camera. She can definitely break that. It's horrible. And she's waiting until like what? Right before the flight to go wax? Girl, you better hope there's no power cut at your waxing, lady. But one razor can't do that. Anyway, everybody, we want to thank you so much. Everybody, just be safe, whether you're going to play carnival or not. Whether you're
again with the speech.
No, but I just saying to be careful.
Again.
Okay, well then fine. Do what the fuck you want to do. Bye.
Didn't have to go aggressive like that, though.
Y'all do what y'all doing. Bite your bite, drink your drink, and have fun, y'all. The Nutty Bulla episode, that's what I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it down.
Alright guys, please remember that you can go and get your Live Simple, the specialty love boxes.
We're gonna tag them
the Love Glows collection boxes. Oh my gosh, the lemongrass one and the lavender and plum. You can go and get we're gonna tag them below. Thank you to National for providing the pocket snacks of life.
The pocket snacks of life.
The Bulla Bites. And also thank you to Artsy Decor
and Rental. We're gonna tag everybody down below so that you can
And I just don't think the show would ever be the same if we did not shoot with our Lady B.
No.
The show always starts off so sane and then somewhere in the middle it gets wacky.
Something happens.
The Lady B starts to kick in.
The Lazy Bee just bust up in your head.
Can you imagine? Thank you.
Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today's show.
Still on my Invisalign journey. It's getting better.
We don't. Alright. Bye everybody. We will see you not next week, but the week after. Bye.